belong, where no one's left out, dressed in our finest, walking the walk. Ooh, imagine what we could do. Happy days be our guest, happy days manifest. Let's stand together, put a smile on our faces, fill us up with your grace and make us better. Dress us for all weather.
Hi friends, we are so glad you're with us again today. We have no idea where we are. Well, a little idea. We are at least in the state of Montana. And here's the thing though, we knew where we were going and where we were at, and then we started walking around this gorgeous trail, and we got so excited that we forgot the name of the trail, so we can't even tell you, so we'll have to just put it on the screen for you. Now you know where we're at.
And to get here, you have to, it is a paved road, very, very skinny paved road. I wouldn't take fifth wheels up it, but it's about 4 miles up and incredible, incredible.
Yeah, you can't take a little travel trailer or anything up here. There's a sign that says no campers or big rigs or anything because there's no place to turn around. But we just got off we, like you, want to see all the national parks, but oh, you just got to get off the beaten path and find stuff like this. So let's take you for a walk through this gorgeous
magical forest.
Magical forest of cedar trees, right? Let's check it out.
Drive the same roads every day. We both get there our own way. Thistle and an apple tree. How different two souls can be. But we both grow from the same sorrow. If we both know we'll be together tomorrow, I can be like a tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, turning to understand and sway together.
All right, we're so glad you're here with us. This is 4 miles down a paved but very narrow road, but so worth it. You feel like you're in some sort of a magical kingdom. I don't know any other way to describe it.
Oh my gosh.
Rendering of stubbornness.
What?
This is what we've come for. It's a grove of giant cedar trees. Believe it or not, they're just cedar trees. But if she'll step back, I have about a 6-foot wingspan. And as you look around, you can see tons of these different types of cedar trees.
I can be like the tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, learning to understand and sway together. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby.
We got off the trail, didn't we?
Nothing worth having comes easy, baby. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby.
Yeah, it's this way for sure.
If we both know we'll be together forever, we can be like the tree